Welcome back to TTP Exam Prep. Today, Netea will guide you through effective TOEFL reading strategies that make learning easy and clear.
Hi friends! In this lesson, we will explore essential tips to master TOEFL reading and improve your score efficiently.
Get ready! We will break down reading strategies, practice questions, and important definitions to make TOEFL reading simple. Many students struggle with TOEFL reading because they read too slowly or try to understand every word. TOEFL reading tests your ability to understand main ideas, details, and inferences. Focus on strategies, not perfection. This lesson will make reading easier and more effective. Let's start with skimming and scanning. Skimming helps you quickly find the main idea. Scanning helps locate specific information. Use headings, keywords, and first sentences to guide you. This way, you save time and avoid confusion during the exam. In TOEFL reading, main ideas are central. Ask yourself, what is this paragraph about? Usually, the first or last sentence contains the main idea. Highlight key words and avoid distractions to identify the core message quickly. Supporting details provide evidence for the main idea. Look for dates, examples, facts, and explanations. These details help answer what, when, where questions effectively and improve your accuracy in TOEFL reading. TOEFL reading often asks inference questions. This means understanding what the author implies, not what is directly stated. Look for clues in context, tone, and logic. Avoid guessing randomly. Use evidence from the text. Vocabulary questions test your ability to understand words from context. Don't memorize lists blindly. Focus on surrounding sentences to guess meaning. Look for synonyms, antonyms, and examples in the passage for better understanding. Sometimes passages contain similar concepts. Learn to differentiate main ideas from details, facts from opinions, and examples from definitions. Highlight differences to answer tricky questions accurately. Now let's practice. The main purpose of the passage is to explain how bees communicate. Which is the best summary? A. Bees collect honey. B. Bees dance to share information. C. Bees build hives. D. Bees pollinate flowers. Answer carefully using strategies we learned. The correct answer is B. Bees dance to share information. It captures the main idea, while the others are supporting details. Practice identifying the main idea in every paragraph to improve your TOEFL reading score. Remember, focus on main ideas, supporting details, and inferences. Use skimming, scanning, and context clues. Practice regularly, avoid word-by-word reading, and use evidence for answers. Master these strategies to make TOEFL reading easier. Many students struggle with TOEFL listening because they focus too much on every word. Listening tests your ability to understand main ideas, supporting details, and speaker intentions. This lesson will make listening easier and more effective. Active listening is key. Pay attention to tone, stress, and emphasis. Take notes while listening, focusing on main ideas and details. Avoid writing everything. Capture key words and phrases that help answer questions. In listening passages, the main idea is the overall point the speaker wants to convey. Usually, it's mentioned at the beginning or summarized at the end. Identify these statements to answer main idea questions quickly. Supporting details are facts, examples, or explanations the speaker provides. Listen for dates, events, and definitions. Taking notes on these details helps answer what, when, where questions accurately. TOEFL listening often asks about the speaker's purpose or attitude. Listen for words that indicate opinion, agreement, disagreement, or emphasis. Tone and context help you understand the speaker's perspective.
Effective notes are brief and organized. Use symbols, abbreviations, and bullet points. Focus on main ideas, supporting details, and transitions. Review notes after listening to reinforce understanding.
Listening passages often show cause-effect, compare-contrast, or sequence relationships. Identify these relationships to answer inference and detail questions correctly. Words like because, however, and first are important clues.
Let's practice. Listen. The professor explains why climate change affects ocean levels. Question. What is the professor's main point? A. Oceans are polluted. B. Climate change increases ocean levels. C. Fish populations are decreasing. D. Icebergs are melting. Use notes and strategies to choose the best answer. The correct answer is B. Climate change increases ocean levels. It captures the main idea, while other options are details or unrelated. Practicing main idea recognition improves your TOEFL listening accuracy. Remember, focus on main ideas, supporting details, speaker purpose, and relationships. Take organized notes, listen actively, and use context clues. Regular practice will make TOEFL listening easier and boost your confidence.
Hi friends, I'm Netea. Many students feel nervous about TOEFL speaking because they worry about pronunciation or grammar. This section tests your ability to express ideas clearly, organize responses, and speak fluently under time pressure. Today, we'll make speaking simple and effective. TOEFL speaking has 4 tasks, 1 independent and 3 integrated tasks. Independent tasks ask your opinion. Integrated tasks combine reading and listening. Knowing the task type helps you plan your answer and manage time efficiently. Always plan your answer quickly. Jot 3 main points with 1 example each. This helps structure your response and avoid rambling. Spend 15 to 20 seconds planning, then speak for 45 to 60 seconds with confidence. Pronunciation and fluency are important. Speak clearly, stress key words, and maintain natural pace. Avoid long pauses or fillers like and Regular practice and recording your speech help improve pronunciation. Linking words like first, however, for example, help structure your answer. They guide the listener and show logical flow. Use them to connect points smoothly and increase coherence in your speech. When expressing opinions, state your position clearly at the beginning. Support it with reasons and examples. Avoid vague statements. For integrated tasks, summarize reading and listening passages, then provide your answer. Focus on key points from both sources. Linking ideas shows understanding and boosts your score. Let's practice. Question: do you agree or disagree that technology improves education? Plan your answer. 1 main point, more access. 2nd point, interactive learning. 3rd point, faster communication. Speak 45 to 60 seconds using clear structure. Sample answer strategy. Begin with opinion, then 3 reasons with examples. Use linking words like first, second, finally. End with a short summary. This organized approach maximizes score and shows fluency. Remember, plan quickly, speak clearly, use linking words, support opinions with examples, and stay confident. Regular practice improves timing, fluency, and coherence. Master these strategies to excel in TOEFL speaking. Hi friends, I'm Netea. TOEFL writing tests your ability to organize ideas, support arguments, and write clearly under time limits. Many students struggle because they write too slowly or include irrelevant details.
Today, we'll make writing clear, structured, and effective.
TOEFL writing has two tasks, integrated and independent. Integrated asks you to summarize reading and listening passages. Independent asks your opinion on a topic. Knowing the task type helps plan your structure and manage time efficiently. Always plan your essay. Spend 3 to 5 minutes outlining main points and examples. Decide your thesis, supporting ideas, and conclusion. A clear plan ensures organized, coherent writing and saves time during the exam. Your thesis is the backbone of your essay. It states your main argument clearly in 1 to 2 sentences. Every paragraph should support this thesis. A strong thesis keeps your essay focused and makes your argument convincing. Each paragraph should have a topic sentence, supporting details, and examples. Use transitions like first, for example, in addition. This structure makes your essay easy to follow and increases your TOEFL writing score. For integrated writing, summarize key points from reading and listening. Compare, contrast, or combine information. Paraphrase sentences instead of copying. Connect ideas logically and clearly to show understanding. For independent writing, clearly state your opinion. Provide 2 to 3 reasons with examples. Use linking words for flow. Avoid off-topic details. This structured approach ensures coherence and high-scoring essays. Let's practice. Question: do you agree or disagree online learning is better than classroom learning? Plan your essay. Thesis equals online learning is effective. Reason 1 equals flexible schedule. Reason 2 equals access to resources. Reason 3 equals personalized pace. Organize 3 supporting paragraphs. Let's practice. Question: do you agree or disagree? Online learning is better than classroom learning. Plan your essay. Thesis is online learning is effective. Reason 1 is flexible schedule. Reason 2 is access to resources. Reason 3 is personalized pace. Organize 3 supporting paragraphs. Remember, plan your essay, write clear thesis, organize paragraphs, use linking words, and support ideas with examples. Practice integrated and independent tasks. Regular practice improves speed, coherence, and confidence for TOEFL writing. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and subscribe to TTPexamprep to master TOEFL effectively and easily. I hope this lesson was useful. Say goodbye and don't forget to subscribe to TTPexamprep